In this module, we are going to talk about implications of sociological perspectives in everyday life. If you could see in this slide that how there are different sociological perspectives in our social life and how we are behaving. Somewhere we are sitting in a classroom and learning, or we are playing in a ground, teacher is teaching, or parents are going to leave you at schools or universities or colleges, or this is how you are interacting with different situations in everyday life. There are three major perspectives in sociology: functionalist perspective, conflict perspective, symbolic interaction perspective. Sociological analysis occur at the following levels: macro level, meso level, and micro level. Sociological perspective is a view that claims attitudes and behaviors of individuals are influenced by their sociological backgrounds, that our attitudes and our behaviors are influenced by the situational backgrounds or circumstances. Social beings are the product of society. These perspectives provide a tool for analyzing social life. Social structures shape everyday lives of individuals. Individuals are controlled by social forces. In return, our behaviors and actions also influence the nature of society through everyday face-to-face interactions and individual behaviors. Society is persistently subjected to change. Sometimes we are learning different concepts and we intentionally or intentionally remain unsuccessful in appreciating those concepts. It does not mean that individual need not to understand those concepts. They need to find out the ways to learn about those concepts which are not explained in detail. This is how an individual is groomed up itself or have an opportunity to go other resources for making an understanding regarding any concept of sociology or to develop its perspective in a different way. Individual is a product of society and vice versa. Sometimes it is considered that it is not the individual who is the product of society, but society is composed of individuals, so that society is a product of the group of individuals. Society plays instrumental role in the way we think, we act, we behave, we celebrate, we mourn. So we have different attitudes in different situations, and that depends on the circumstances that making us to celebrate or indulging us in any mourning situation or in a grief. So our happiness, our griefs are all around in our society, and we have to pass through from such situations, as those situations, those perspectives are integral part of the society.